Bamboo is a wonderful plant. Its biggest asset to the environment and our society and the longevity of us cleaning the earth and helping the climate change is the fact that it grows extremely fast. We can harvest it every 3 to 5 years, and that is unlike any other plant that we can use for building. It produces 30% more oxygen, and it sequesters 4 times as much carbon as any other plant. So just that in itself, besides everything else, are amazing elements if you consider what we're looking for. And the important thing about bamboo is that it has developed and evolved over the years. So I sort of see there's 2 industries with bamboo in building and design. We can take its organic form and we can bring the designers and architecture to that organic form and use it exactly as it is and understand its strengths, its possibilities, and then develop design around that and utilize it. The other side, which has been really exponentially growing, is that we take the bamboo and we remanufacture it and develop an engineered product that looks very similar to timber. It has greater strength. It's more lightweight, and we can produce a lot more of it because the harvesting of bamboo is, 3 to 5 years, and timber's 30 years at best, and generally 80 years. So from an environmental point of view and the necessity for us to start to address the climate change issues, bamboo is just a natural material.